back to my channel Technical Indian Creative. So today I have made solar tracking machine. So this is the solar tracking machine. In this I have attached one servo motor to LDR. So if light is falling on the first LDR located in left side, so if light is falling on the left side, so it will work like this. And if light is falling on the second LDR, then it will work like this. So in this way it is going to track the solar light. So by this we can generate solar electricity. So let's see how it is working. Here assume the breadboard as the solar panel. So here as there is light falling on the LDR, it is following the point of light. Now as there is light falling on the second LDR, so it is also following the light, and hence we can produce solar energy by doing this tracking of the sun. The link of codes is given in the description box, so you can refer the codes from there. If you have any doubt regarding this video, then please DM me, and my Instagram handle link is given in the description box. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.